deep, emotional, and poetic narrative. Neville Goddard, The Hidden Secret of Unlimited Wealth. Have you ever felt like there's a secret to wealth that no one tells you? Something so powerful it could change your financial life forever? Today we'll reveal just that through the teachings of Neville Goddard. Prepare for a journey where your mind is the key and the I Am is the tool that opens all doors. Imagine your life is like a locked room and you hold the key that can open any door. Prosperity, abundance, financial freedom. Many live trapped in limitations that aren't real, but you don't need to anymore. A stick man appears with a golden key in his hands, locked doors around him, and light shining behind one of them. You will discover how to use your imagination to create unlimited wealth. The Law of I Am. Neville Goddard teaches that everything begins with what you say to yourself. Every word that comes out of your mouth or passes through your thoughts has the power to create your reality. Saying, "I am poor," creates poverty. Saying, "I am rich," attracts wealth. It seems simple, but the science behind it is profound. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination and begins to manifest what you declare. Ask yourself, have you been using your words to attract or repel prosperity? This is the first step to unlocking unlimited wealth. Creative visualization. Now that we understand the power of the I Am, it's time to apply visualization. Neville said you need to feel your desire as if it were already real. Don't just imagine it vaguely. See it, feel it, hear it. Your heart and mind must believe it. Each mental scene strengthens the reality you wish to create. The more detail and emotion, the faster the universe responds. Here you learn to feel wealth as if it were already yours, paving the way for it to manifest physically. Breaking limiting beliefs. The biggest obstacle to wealth isn't the economy or luck, but your own limiting beliefs. "I don't deserve to be rich," or "money is hard to come by," are phrases you repeat unconsciously. Neville teaches that you should replace them with powerful affirmations that feel true. I deserve unlimited abundance. Each chain represents a mental limitation that dissolves, allowing the energy of prosperity to flow freely. Are you ready to break your inner chains? The subconscious mind is like fertile ground. Whatever you plant grows. Repeated thoughts and strong feelings create external experiences. Neville teaches you how to feed your subconscious with images of wealth and positive affirmations. Every mental action strengthens the reality you wish to manifest. Do you want to plant seeds of poverty or wealth? This is the time to become aware of the power of your subconscious. Feeling versus reason. Reason alone does not create wealth. Feeling deeply that you are already rich is what moves the universe to act. Neville emphasizes that it is feeling that brings your visualization to life. Thinking "I want" is not enough. Feeling "I have" is key. The more positive emotion you generate, the more your reality begins to align with your desires. Do you feel your wealth or just think about it? Persistence and repetition. Manifesting unlimited wealth requires consistency. Neville says that daily practice, even if brief, shapes your mind and reality. Repeat your affirmations when you wake up, before bed, and throughout the day, and small coins begin to fall around you. Repetition turns beliefs into habits and habits into results. Don't give up until your mind is fully aligned with abundance. Each repetition is one more step toward the wealth you deserve.
Inspired action. While the primary power lies in the mind, inspired action accelerates manifestation. Neville teaches that opportunities arise when you are internally ready. Don't force anything, but be attentive and ready to act when inspiration strikes. Wealth manifests in unexpected ways, and you must be receptive to receiving it. Are you ready to recognize these opportunities?
Deep, emotional, and poetic narrative. Great people have used this principle. Inventors, entrepreneurs, and leaders who started out with the belief that they would succeed. They represent different forms of success. One building their own startup, another attracting money, and yet another traveling the world with freedom and prosperity. Neville Goddard proved that what seems impossible is achievable when the mind is aligned with desire. Imagine yourself now as part of this group of people who naturally attract wealth.
Now you
Grandes
know the hidden
pessoas
secret.
usaram esse
Your
princípio.
mind is the key.
Inventores,
The I am is the
empresários
tool.
e
And
líderes
your
que
emotions
começaram
are the
apenas
fuel.
com a crença de que
Advance
seriam
step by step,
bem-sucedidos.
each movement representing
Representam
internal
diferentes
progress
formas de
until you reach
sucesso.
a door of light that symbolizes
Construindo
the
sua
fulfillment
própria
of your
startup,
desires and the arrival
outro
of abundance.
atraindo dinheiro
This is the
e
time
outro
to
viajando
act.
pelo mundo
Repeat
com
your
liberdade
declarations,
e
visualize,
prosperidade.
feel, and
Neville
allow
Goddard
abundance to arrive.
provou que o que
If
parece
this video brought you
impossível é
clarity and
alcançável quando a
subscribe,
mente
share,
está
and
alinhada
activate
com o
the bell.
desejo.
Transform your
Imagine-se
potential
agora
into real
como
wealth
parte
today.
desse grupo.
Now
Agora
you
você
know the
sabe o
hidden
segredo
secret.
oculto.
Your
Sua
mind is the
mente
key.
é a chave.
The I
O eu
am
sou
is
é
the
a
tool.
ferramenta
And your
e suas
emotions are the
emoções
fuel.
são o combustível.
Advance step by step,
Avance passo a
each
passo,
movement
cada
representing
movimento
internal
representando
progress,
o progresso
until you
interno,
reach a door
até
of light
alcançar uma
that
porta de
symbolizes the
luz que
fulfillment of
simboliza
your
a
desires
realização
and the
de seus
arrival of
desejos
abundance.
e a chegada
This is
da
the time to
abundância.
act. Repeat your
Este é o momento
declarations,
de agir.
visualize,
Repita
feel,
suas
and allow
declarações.
abundance to
Visualize,
arrive.
sinta
If this video brought
e
you clarity
permita que
and
a
power,
abundância chegue.
subscribe, share, and
Se este
activate the
vídeo
bell.
te trouxe clareza
Transform
e
your
poder,
potential into real
inscreva-se,
wealth today.
compartilhe